I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Tanks Blitz with a controller. Many players find that using a gamepad offers a more immersive and precise experience than touch controls. You can connect various popular controllers, including those from Xbox and PlayStation, to your device. This guide will walk you through connecting your controller, adjusting in-game settings, and optimizing your gameplay for maximum effectiveness on the battlefield. Connecting your controller is the first step to enhanced gameplay. For mobile devices, simply pair your wireless controller through your device's Bluetooth settings. If you are playing on a personal computer, you can connect your controller directly or utilize Steam input for a wider range of gamepads. Remember to check that your mobile operating system is at least iOS 13 or Android 10 for optimal support. Once your controller is connected, it is time to fine-tune your in-game settings. Head to the Controls menu, accessible from the garage. Here, you will find an option to switch your control mode to gamepad. Take advantage of the customization options to adjust camera and joystick sensitivity. Experiment in a training room to find the perfect balance that feels most comfortable for your playstyle. To truly excel with a controller, optimize your settings and practice. Leverage the controller's dedicated buttons for actions like enabling or disabling auto-aim, using the lookout camera, and quickly switching between shell types. For better control, consider disabling the tank auto-turn feature, allowing your turret to move independently. Consistent practice in training rooms will help you adapt and dominate the battlefield with your new setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.